Jokers with my beautiful friends. I just met Natsuki. Isn't she cute? She loves reggae. Say, what's your name? Say you love reggae. Say you love reggae. I love reggae. Is he okay?
Yes.
See, okay, Natsuki. And this is Louis Vuitton.
Louis Vuitton.
Princess. Oh my god, she's so cute, isn't she? Kawaii desu.
Thank you.
Hey, ladies, parties in crime. What's up, Blessing? Some pounding. Gangster. And this is a birthday girl. Mihadu. So I'm gonna sing her happy birthday right now.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mihadu. Happy birthday to you.
And this is beautiful. Kaide. I can't get her name right for crap, but it's Kaide. I only talk to cute girls. You notice all of them are hot. If you want a cute girl, come to Japan. I don't know if she likes Gaijin, but she is Jokers. Still here. I'm supposed to leave, but this is a punk ass nigga. Punk ass. So hi. So,
Gangsta style.
friends, hello. No, see that. They're good. They're good. I like them. So, am I? What's your name? Oh no! Hey, what's your name, bro? What's your name? I'm Takiro. Moika desu. This nigga be so hyped. Moika desu. Shit. Yeah, shit. Say it with a chest, son. Moika desu. Hey, so what's your name? Oh, she's just laughing. He's so omoshiroi. Totemo oshimoi. Go ahead. Oh, she said I'm kawaii. Oh shit. Woo! Stevie, what's your name?
Asako.
Asako. Yori. Wakarai. Midori. Ooh, these girls are cute. So, 2 girls and their boyfriends. I ain't gonna mess with that, bro. I ain't mess with that. Go see it, Nani. And she is digging in. Jamaica, she there? Jamaica. Reggae. Show.
Marijuana.
No. No, cut, no more.